Welcome back to the channel, Adventure Motorcycle fans. Today we are diving into a machine that is set to completely disrupt the middleweight adventure touring segment, the 2026 Zontes 703F. Big brands need to watch their backs because this bike brings flagship specs at a fraction of the cost. Starting with the exterior, this bike looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. It demands attention with aggressive, sharp lines, fully integrated crash protection, and an intense 4-projector LED headlight setup complete with cornering lights. You get a massive 22-liter fuel tank built for serious long-distance touring, tubeless spoked wheels with Michelin rubber, and an electrically adjustable windshield that adjusts on the fly. Moving to the cockpit and ergonomic setup, the seating position gives you total control over long rides or tricky off-road trails. Up front sits a massive 6.75-inch full-color TFT display featuring built-in navigation, smartphone mirroring, and real-time tire pressure and temperature monitoring. You also get backlit handlebar controls, keyless ignition, dual USB charging ports, and heated grips straight out of the factory. Under the bodywork lies the star of the show, a brand new 6999cc liquid-cooled inline 3-cylinder engine. This powerhouse pushes out an impressive 96 horsepower and 76 newton-meters of torque. Wrapped in a lightweight aluminum double-beam frame that weighs just 11 kilograms, it delivers a thrilling exhaust note, linear torque, and quick shifter-assisted acceleration that rivals the Japanese and European heavyweights. When it comes to safety and hardware, Zontes did not cut any corners. The 703F comes equipped with fully adjustable Marzocchi suspension front and rear, paired with radial-mounted 4-piston J.Juan brakes for immense stopping power. You get dual-channel ABS, switchable traction control, and built-in front and rear 1080p dash cams with 128 gigabytes of internal storage to record every single moment of your journey. As for price, while traditional middleweight triples easily cross $12,000, the Zontes 703F is expected to enter global markets around $8,000 to $9,000, making it one of the absolute highest value-for-money ADV bikes ever made. In summary, the 2026 Zontes 703F is a complete game-changer. It combines hyper-aggressive styling, a high-revving triple-cylinder engine, top-tier Marzocchi and J.Juan hardware, and an unbelievable standard tech package into a price tag that makes the competition look overpriced. If you loved this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me if you would choose this over a Transalp or a Tenere 700. Thanks for watching, stay safe out on the roads, and I will see you in the next ride.